Have you ever seen steam rising from a river or a bubbling pool in the mountains? Not because of fire, but because the water is naturally hot. A hot spring is simply a place where hot water from deep inside the earth comes out at the surface. This water isn't boiled in a kitchen. It's heated by the earth itself. Some are warm and perfect for a spa day. Others are so hot they can actually cook rice. It all starts with rainwater. That rainwater seeps into the ground through cracks and holes. As it goes deeper underground, it gets closer to hot rocks or even magma, the same stuff that comes out of volcanoes. Naturally, the water starts to heat up. Now that it's hot, it wants to rise back to the surface, like steam from a kettle. So it finds a way through cracks and comes out as a hot spring. Simple, right? But here's something cooler. On the way up, the hot water picks up minerals from the underground rocks. That's why many hot springs smell funny, like rotten eggs. That's sulfur. Others are rich in calcium, iron, or even silica, which makes the water look milky or blue. In fact, some people believe hot springs can even help with skin problems or joint pain. Hot springs are found all over the world, and especially in places with volcanoes or tectonic activity. Let me give you a few examples. Blue Lagoon in Iceland, bright blue, rich in minerals. Manikaran in India, so hot that people actually cook rice in it. Yellowstone in the USA, with colorful boiling springs and geysers. Beppu in Japan, known for its relaxing hot baths. Rotorua in New Zealand, where the ground is always steaming. And by the way, if you've ever seen water suddenly shooting out of the ground like a fountain, that's called a geyser. It's a special kind of hot spring that builds up steam underground and erupts with pressure, shooting water and steam high into the air. Now, wait before you go jumping into the nearest hot spring. Not all of them are safe. Some are boiling hot, some are acidic, and some release toxic gases like hydrogen sulfide. So always go where it's allowed and safe. Some hot springs are even used to generate electricity, and others help scientists study life in extreme conditions. They're nature's spa and also a peek into Earth's secrets. So next time you see steam rising from a pond in the mountains, you'll know it's not magic. It's geothermal science at work. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.